And I'm not going in for the big security thing like that. I've just got a psychological doorbell to deter unwanted callers, right? Because most doorbells are quite friendly, aren't they? That's quite friendly, isn't it? And this one's quite friendly. Although not if you've got an abduction complex. And so what I've done, I use a chord. It's actually an interval. I don't know if you're down with musical terms. Interval, so people go, oh, brilliant, and they're off, you know. No, an interval is a gap between two notes, like this. That's called a perfect fourth, all right? I mean, it's just a musical term. It's not perfect, it's all right. There's a perfect fifth. That's what it's like, you know. That's used a lot in Gregorian chant, you know. Quite mysterious. Wouldn't work with soap opera themes, wouldn't work with Coronation Street. Sounds like a biblical epic, doesn't it? And lo, the Battersbys did smite the Tilsleys. Spooked them. Oh, yeah, no. So the chord that I've gone for is actually an interval that was banned in 1545 at the Council of Trent, which was a religious conference. And they deemed that music had become too earthbound, too sexual, and it had to become more reverential and in praise of God. And one chord in particular was banned. This was called the Devil's Interval. It's the augmented fourth or the diminished fifth, depending on your outlook on life. If you're optimistic, yeah. This is it. I am inflamed with sexual lust. And that is highly effective as a doorbell, see? Step away, Obadiah. The devil dwells within. That's actually the Pope's doorbell. He's just sitting in the Vatican, hoping someone's going to ring. Come on, come on. Walking around, who the Pope, I'm the Pope, who the Pope, I'm the Pope.